Okay. Okay, my dear students, we are about to start today's speaking session. And as you know, that we are facing too much hot these days, and we are inhabitants of Rajasthan. This is a very hot state. There is too much hot, and today our Falodi, situated in Jodhpur district in Rajasthan, has reached up to 50 degree, and I think this is too much. And we all are suffering too much these days because of this summer. This is a season, summer season. There is too much hot, so you have to speak upon summer. You know very well what are you facing, what you can do to make yourselves comfortable. So it is up to you. I want you to express your views regarding the topic. So okay, I have got some names: Harsh, Rohit, Harshit, Keshav, Sushil. Okay, very good. So we are starting with Harsh. And one thing more I want to tell you all, that please listen carefully what is being said, so that you can describe your thoughts. Okay? Yes, now Harshit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsh Yadav, and today my topic is summer. As you all know that we all are living in Rajasthan, and there is a lot of hot in Rajasthan, and the temperature of Rajasthan has reached 50 degree and 45-degree average in each district of Rajasthan.
Very good. Nicely
And
put. Yes.
have we and for living in Rajasthan, we should know that what are the meals to protect us from extreme hot.
Shabash.
Uh, so there are a lot of meals that are given to us by science, from which we can protect us from hot.
Hmm.
So some of the products, some of the meals are cooler, AC, fan, fridge, etc. And we should use these things a lot to save our lives, to, to save our lives from hot, extreme hot.
Hmm.
And we can drink hot, cold water from fridge to make our body cold. तो ठंडी रखने का,
ठीक है. Cool.
to make our body cool. We can use ACs to prevent hot that is coming from outside our home.
Hmm.
And we should we should not go outside our home unnecessarily,
Hmm. Shabash.
as as if we go outside our home, then we will suffer from we will suffer from dehydration.
Hmm.
And it is a very big problem in summers that people get dehydrated
Hmm.
due to not drinking water, uh, care, due to not drinking water. So for not getting dehydrated, we should drink a lot of water. We should drink 5 to 6 liter per day to make ourselves hydrated. And we should only go outside our home when there is a lot of emergency, like some person, like many person earn money going outside their home.
Hmm.
So they only they should go outside. Otherwise the people who is free or who is not busy, he should
R आना चाहिए because people
who
को
are not who are not busy, they should stay at home only to save the money and to save their lives. And that's it, sir.
very good. Nice speaking, Shabash beta. And now, okay. Now Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Adam. Today I'm going to tell you about the increasing temperature in Rajasthan. As we all know that the summers are the
Summer is.
favorite.
R क्यों?
Yes,
Summer
sir.
is.
Summer is the favorite season of many people, but most of the people hate it because of its hot temperature. As you all know that the summers are only known for its hot temperature, and in summer there is a lot of heat. Heat in cities, the heat is a lot because in city everything is made up of stones, and the stone when stone gets heated, then they give heat for a long time. So because of this, cities are not so cold as much as villages. And as you all know that in the as you all know that nowadays Rajasthan is facing a lot of heat, and hot wind Loo is flowing nowadays a lot. And this wind can harm us if you are playing if you are playing in the midday, or doing anything anything in the midday at outside. Then you should keep in mind that you should not drink the cold water. And I for those who says that AC is the best mean by which we can save ourselves from heat. And so I would like to say to those people that when you are in AC, your immunity become weak. As we are in AC, we feel relaxed, and when we go out of AC, then we feel a lot of heat. And then if we are sitting in a cooler, so AC is not good for the people who go out and in a day most of the time. So I prefer to have cooler in the summers. And as you know that many people go to swimming pools or these type of places to cool themselves, but they don't know that if after bathing in the swimming pool, they should face the heat again. So there is no idea of bathing in swimming pools, because after this you have to face the heat.
Hmm.
And many people waste a lot of money in the water parks and these. So you can also drink juice or cold things which keep your body cool. So it will better more than you are bathing in a swimming pool, etc. So as we know that heat disarms many people a lot. And to solve this problem, the government opens many places in the cities or in the towns, like our normal language is pyao. And these places are like a god for the people who want water in the summers. And as you know that there are a lot of birds and animals in the summers. They also want water to live alive. And in summers we should also keep water for birds in our roofs, so
On
that they
on
can.
not in on our
Yes,
roofs.
sir. On our roofs to protect the birds. And we also put some water outside our houses for the cows which are roaming here and there in the sunlight of the sun. So in my view, I think that in summers, if you do more and more things for the animals or for the birds, then this will help you a lot in your life. And the God will give you blessing. That.
Very good. Very good. Shabash beta. Everything is very nice. Okay. And now this is the turn of Harshit. Yes, come on, Harshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Mora. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is summer. As we all know very well that summer has come, and many things have taken place in this summer. Many things are new, like the temperature uh, is getting high day by day.
Hmm.
Like nowadays, you can see that the temperature in Rajasthan has reached 50 50 degrees Celsius, and nowadays summer is one of the biggest problem of most of the people, uh, because when they go outside um, in the afternoon, they face sunlight that is harmful for the people who go outside in the afternoon,
Hmm.
because at the time the rays of the sun that comes to us are very harmful, and uh, in in this season it is one of the most bad, you can say, summer, because the temperature has gone very high. Why is this getting so high?
Hmm.
One of its reason is global warming, as nowadays you can see that global warming is taking place.
Hmm.
Many people are making their house, and many industrial areas are being developed in the forest,
Hmm.
so that the number of trees are getting low day by day.
Is
Uh,
getting.
yes, sir, is getting low day by day, and uh, when CO2 is released a lot, global warming takes place.
Hmm.
So we must plant a tree in this summer, so that we may get some relief for the upcoming summers.
Hmm.
Um, if one person will plant a tree, then are about 4 million people in Jaipur only. So now you can think that what will be the position in the upcoming time if we will plant
Hmm.
trees.
Hmm.
And most of the people wasted their money on junk food and on parties, and they don't think about to plant trees.
Hmm.
They think that government will do every work, but they forget that it's also their responsibility to plant trees. When
Hmm.
they are eating the junk foods,
Hmm.
then is the wastage of money not taking place.
Hmm.
So we must plant as more as trees we can, so that we can get relief in the upcoming summers. And uh, uh, nowadays many people think that there must be rain, and uh, so that they may get relief by this. Uh, uh, oh, oh. Nowadays, as you can see in Jaipur, artificial rain is being done, so that the temperature of roads may get less, and many societies and people may get less hot. And nowadays many people are using coolers, ACs, and many other equipments to relieve themselves from the heat effect of sunlight. Uh, we must avoid AC rooms as much as we can, because nowadays when people are in ACs, and if they have urgent works, or if they have to go outside, then the temperature of outside and inside of the room is very different.
Hmm.
And when this will take place, our body will not manage it, and we may get fever
Hmm.
also.
Hmm. 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 Yes.
So we must be in cooler, because cooler do not chill as more as ACs,
Hmm.
and we get more fresh airs by the coolers,
Hmm.
because these uh, and so in my view, we must plant as more as trees we can, and we should not cut the plants. In my view, government should make some fine on cutting the green plants, so that many people will avoid to cut green plants. That's it, sir.
Very good. Very nice thoughts. Very nice expression. Shabash, beta. Keep it up. And now, Harsh, Rohit, Harshit. And now, this is Keshav from B18. Yes, you are welcome. केशव बच्चा, आ जा बच्चा.
Hello, my name is Keshav. I am the student of Ramban English classes. I will tell you about summer. Summer is my favorite. Summer is my favorite season
Favorite season. Oh my God. Yes.
because I love mango and mango is my favorite.
Okay, Shabash.
Mango is
Yes,
my favorite.
mango.
And mother makes many things from mango for me.
Uh,
But it's not good season because some poor people always die because of the heat.
hmm,
Because us, we use more AC and cooler.
hmm,
AC produce rays that has hold in our atmospheric layer
hmm.
that protects us from UV rays of sun. Because of this, we can have many diseases like skin cancer and etc. It ha- it it we don't live. We has to less the ACs. To,
कोई बात नहीं, घबरा मत, वो हम करवा लेंगे, चिंता मत कर, हम बुलवा लेंगे तेरे को. तूने इतना बोला वही बहुत है हमारे लिए. इट इज इनफ फॉर अस. ओके, वेरी नाइस. हिम्मत करना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. सही गलत तो सब हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा नहीं है. सही गलत सब हो जाएगा, लेकिन आप कोशिश कर रहे हो, आप ट्राई कर रहे हो, ये अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात है. वेरी गुड. यस, कम ऑन सुशील.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am the student of the Ramban online intensive classes from B16 and also from B18. And today our topic is summer season. As you know that we live in Bharat, and Bharat has mainly types of season. First is winter, and second is summer, and third is rainy season. And now present time summer season is going on. You know very well that everything has its importance and its identify, and summer season has hot season, and in this season we have to live in hot, and we have to face with a lot of problems. But science is very helpful because science has given us many things so that we can protect us.
शाबाश.
Like
सुनो ध्यान से. अब सब आपके जैसे ही हैं बेटा. वो ये ध्यान से सुनो. हाँ, बोलो बेटा.
yes, sir, like fan, cooler, AC, freeze, and and uh, and etc. And now there is question is that how to protect us from this season. So we can do many things to protect us, like uh, we should not go outside unnecessary, and we should drink water as much as we can drink. But we should drink water of matka because matka's pani has many types of minerals, and these minerals are very helpful for our health. We should not drink freezes pani, and we should and we should not live in AC room because if if we have any work, and we will have to go from our room where where we are living. So our body uh, body can't control our temperature
mm,
because we are living in AC room and there is cool room.
mm,
So we should not live in AC room and we should live in cooler's home
mm,
where cooler is where where the room has cooler.
mm.
And you know very well that now present time the temperature is increasing day by day.
Mm.
So so we can protect us because we know very well that what what should we do.
Should be done.
Yes sir, what should be done, but birds can't communicate with us and they they can't say us that what is their problem. So we should keep water in matka on our roof so that so that birds can drink and they also protect
Themselves.
themselves.
Shabash. Mm,
And in this season some people help us to protect us because some people start plow at any and at many places like at station, at bus stop, and in the cities
mm,
so that we can drink cold water and we can fit our body.
mm,
So, in my views, to protect, we should drink water as much as we can drink,
Shabash. Mm.
and also we should keep water on our roof for birds. So
Mm.
that's it.
Very good. Nice. Very nice speaking, Sushil. You have got it. Make it sure. Yes. There is no issue in it. The purpose came you with to me. You have got it. Keep it up, beta.
Yes, sir.
Shabash. And now this is the name of Ronak. Ronak is also from B18. Yes, come on, Ronak.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Ronak. On Ramban interconnecting classes. Today's my topic is summer. Summer is the hottest season. Season. It comes after spring. The sun shines brightly in the sky. And today's temperature is 47 degrees Celsius in Rajasthan.
Mm.
People use umbrellas. They wear cotton clothes.
Shabash. Very good. Very good. Mm.
And my favorite season is summer because I eat a lot of fruits.
Mm.
I have watermelon juice, mango shake, ice cream, etc.
Mm.
I go swimming with my father, and I spend my summer. That's it.
वेरी गुड वेरी नाइस शाबाश बेटा ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो बस वेरी गुड बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड एंड नाउ यस नाउ दिस इज यामिनी
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Saw, and I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today, my topic is summer. As we all know about that, there are 6 seasons on the earth: summer, winter, rainy, spring, or etc.
हम्म
Summer season is one of them. The summer season is the hottest season.
हम्म
In this season the environment becomes so hot, and the sunlights becomes the sun shines so brightly
हम्म
in in
बहुत
this
बढ़िया
season.
बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड
In this season all the people like to wear light clothes.
हम्म
um in the India, the Rajasthan is the hottest state.
हम्म
It's Rajasthan, the temperature reach 45 to 50 degree.
Hmm.
Each of the city city has 44, 45 temperature in the Rajasthan.
Hmm.
Everyone likes to stay at home.
Hmm. Shabash,
Um,
shabash, very good. Hmm.
Luckily, science has given so many things by which we can protect us by sunlight,
Hmm. Hmm.
like cooler,
Hmm.
a fan, AC, fridge, etc.
Shabash,
things.
very good. Huh.
No people like to go outside in afternoons.
Very good.
If a person go outside in afternoon, he he take he take a bottle with uh, with him या फिर her.
Hmm.
Uh, because if he don't take it,
If it doesn't.
he if he doesn't take it, he have to face the problem of dehydration.
Hmm. Hmm.
Um, the dehydration is the most important problem in this season.
Hmm.
We should
Shabash.
drink much water in this season.
Hmm.
If we don't drink it, we have to face dehydration.
Hmm.
In this season, we should eat watermelon, kharbuja, etc. Because these fruits, the 75% of part made by water. This is improve the situation of water
Hmm.
in our body.
Hmm.
Not only people but also animals face face this problem of dehydration.
Hmm.
So we should made a pot of square shape and fill in water
Hmm.
to apply them on our roofs
Hmm. Apply
by
means we
which
should put it on our roof.
put it on our roofs by which the birds can also drink the water,
From which? By which? Nahi, from which?
from which the birds also can drink the water
Hmm.
and survive properly.
Hmm.
Um, uh, the summer is one of the great season because in the summer so many fruits comes like mango. Mango is the most favorite fruit of India.
Hmm.
Everyone likes to eat it.
Hmm.
But the summer has uh, is a dangerous thing.
Hmm.
In the summer, the roads become so hot.
Hmm.
So government makes so many plans for it. They shower they shower the water on the roads
Very good. Very good. Very good. Shabash. Hmm.
by which the roads becomes cool.
Hmm.
The give the government water those plants which is located in the side of roads.
Hmm.
No one give water in those plants
Hmm. To those plants.
to those plants. The government makes so many schemes for the summer.
Hmm.
Uh, but the summer is not only harmful for us; it's also harmful for things. We can see the things which is not destroyed in the winter 1 2 days. Those things destroyed 8 and 7 hours in the summer.
Shabash.
So we keep those things in fridge by which they don't destroy
Hmm.
like milk, vegetables, fruits, etc.
Hmm.
But the summer is the most favorite season for students
Hmm. Why?
because the summer has longest vacation.
Oh, very good. Very. देखो 6 क्लास में पढ़ती है बच्ची अभी छुट्टियों की पढ़ती है इसको.
The longest vacation. These vacations are the longest vacations of school.
Hmm.
Every student wait and say when the summer come, when the summer
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
and the summer is going on, all the childrens become happy
Hmm.
because they can do they can do so many different things like they can join dance classes,
Hmm.
they can do anything which they like.
Hmm.
Some children go to nani's house
Hmm.
In this season, Bhuas come in our house. We make with them, and we go to water parks in this season. So this is also so funful for us. We should apply the trees by which the hotness low day by day.
We should plant trees.
We should plant trees by which the hotness low day by day, and we should not and we should not see this next summer like this. So sir, we should apply trees.
अरे plant trees, apply नहीं, not apply.
We should plant trees, and we should not drink the fridge water. We should drink the matkas water, because if we drink fridge water, we become ill. So we should drink matkas water. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Very good. Nice speaking. Shabash. बहुत बढ़िया. Kabir. Yes, Kabir.
Yes, sir. Hello, friend. My name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambar English Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today's topic is summer vacations. So, as we know about that, summer vacation is the hottest season in the Rajasthan. Many schools give you summer vacations, and many people go his nani's home and villages.
His क्यों आएगा? देर आएगा. बोल, कोई बात नहीं. बोल, तू तो बोल, अभी तो तू B18 का है, बोल.
And many people drinks cold water. The children also drinks cold water, and their mother stop him, please not drink cold water. And cold water causes illness. But children also drink cold water, and cold water also kills. And many people do not go their nani's home and villages. And there play with his friends, and go to walk and go to cycling. Many people drink juice like mango, papaya, etc. And many schools and many children take coachings like study, swimming, etc. That's it.
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया एफर्ट. बहुत अच्छा एफर्ट्स. ये करना चाहिए सबको. सही गलत तो सब हो जाता है. समझ गए आप मेरी बात को? ये करना चाहिए अपने को. सही गलत सब हो जाता है. सही गलत कोई इशू नहीं होता है. Very good. Shabash. And now I am calling. There is the name of Nitigya. बोले तो Shri. Yes.
Good morning, all of you. Good evening, all of you. I'm Nitigya, and today I'm here to tell you something about summer. I live in Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan, and Rajasthan is a hot state, and the Thar Desert is situated in Rajasthan. And during these days, it is so much hot in Rajasthan, and the temperature of Rajasthan has been reached about 50 degrees, which is very harmful for us, and it is very difficult to go outside because of from our houses because of heat. And now I am telling you the reasons of this heat. Because we are cutting trees and using too much vehicles, which is causing pollution, and it is global warming, and due to global warming the heat is increasing day by day.
शाबाश बेटा. हाँ.
And what we should do to less this heat, we should grow more and more trees, and not use vehicles too much, and to save ourselves from this heat, we should drink more and more water and eat fruits like muskmelon and watermelon to which will help to reduce our body's heat. And during these days, our summer vacations are going on, and children like summer vacation too much. And I like this season because I eat ice cream and juice in this season. Thank you.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा, ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो बस, ठीक है ना? हाँ, यस निशांत, कम.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening. I am telling you about the summer season. It is the hottest season in the country. India is also a country in which there is a increase in temperature. In India, one of the hottest state is Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, there is a temperature about 50 degrees Celsius.
शाबाश बेटा, बोलता रहे बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा. हाँ.
Today summer heat is increase very fastly. There is a many problems such as heat waves are going on. Because of heat waves, many people die. Due to there is a shortage of water, which is called dehydration, which is increase of shortage of water.
शाबाश बेटा.
So we have not to come out our houses. We have only come out on the necessary work. In the summer season, there is a season of mangoes. People eat mangoes. There are many dishes that are made from mangoes. India is the one of the producer of mangoes in world. In cities, the temperature is increased also due to the vehicles and factories. In villages, the temperature is also less. But in Rajasthan, there are some states like Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Jalore, Churu, in which the temperature is increasing very fastly. So in the summer season, there are vacations of schools, and we have to do holiday homework also given to children. And summer season also causes harm to animals because animals are dehydrated and lost their lives. I think birds are also needs water. We have to put water on our roofs. And I think the one of the most greatest idea to save our earth from global warming and summer, we have to grow more and more trees.
शाबाश बेटा.
In summer season, people uses coolers, but I think coolers have do a shortage of water because they need a lot of water, which is the wastage of water. So we have to not much cooler. Government also make shelters near roadsides.
बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
Near roadsides. Thank you that.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया कोशिश है, हो जाएगा, चिंता मत, थोड़ी बहुत है, वो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. वेरी गुड, बस बोलना शुरू हो जाए एक बार सब ठीक हो जाता है. यस, एनीवन एल्स? आदित्य should try to speak something.
यस सर. सर हिंदी में
बोल दे तू, यार जैसे बोलना है तेरे को, कोई बात नहीं है, बोल दे.
यस सर.
इंग्लिश में बोल देना एक आध सेंटेंस, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है हमारे को. हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स करके बोल दे, ठीक है बेटा? बोल दे तू, जैसे चाहे वैसे बोल दे तू, बोल.
ऐसे कोशिश करूंगा.
हाँ कोशिश कर बस, और क्या करना है, कोशिश कर. हाँ.
यस सर. हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज आदित्य धनवत. टुडेज टॉपिक इज समर. तो जैसे इंडिया का स्टेट है राजस्थान, उसमें अभी तापमान है अभी 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो इस वजह से पानी की समस्या राजस्थान में बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गई है. तो इसलिए गवर्नमेंट पानी के लिए है ना सोच रही है. इसलिए पानी सभी है ना, इसलिए राजस्थान में जो विलेजेस हैं उसमें लोग लेक से पानी लाते हैं, क्लियर वाटर इन द लेक। तो अभी अभी है ना लोग अपने रूमों में कूलर, एसी, फैंस चला के है ना गर्मी से छुटकारा पाते हैं। और गर्मी बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ती है, इसलिए स्कूल्स में समर वेकेशन 2 वीक्स के लिए रखे जाते हैं।
वेरी गुड।
तो दैट्स इट।
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, कोशिश करो बस, है ना। हिंदी इंग्लिश बोलो बस, वो सब देख लेंगे हम तुम्हारे को, अंग्रेजी तो हमसे बुलवा लेंगे। वैष्णवी, हाँ बेटा कोशिश कर बेटा। हाँ
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Hello, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. Today's our topic is summer. And sir, हिंदी में बोल दूँ क्या?
हिंदी में बोल दे तू, कौन मना कर
जैसा
रहा है
कि
तेरे को?
यस सर, जैसा कि सबको पता है कि अभी समर सीजन चल रहा है और इंडिया में जो हॉटेस्ट स्टेट है वो राजस्थान है।
वेरी गुड, शाबाश।
और रिसेंटली जो राजस्थान का टेम्परेचर अभी 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस है।
शाबाश, छोट बोल दे, बीच बीच में इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते इंग्लिश बोल, छोटे छोटे फ्रेज, कोई बात नहीं है, तू बोल बस।
यहाँ पे पानी की बहुत ज्यादा कमी हो रही, शॉर्टेज ऑफ वाटर।
हाँ वेरी गुड, ऐसे बोल, शाबाश।
और सब लोग अभी आइसक्रीम, जूस वगैरह सब खा रहे। और लोग अभी कूलर, पंखे, एसी वगैरह चला रहे हैं अपने घरों में। और लोग घर से बाहर नहीं निकल रहे हैं, वो अपने घरों में ही रह रहे हैं। जरूरी कोई काम आता है तभी लोग जा पाते हैं बाहर।
तुम कहाँ हो अभी?
यस सर।
कहाँ हो तुम?
सर अभी मैं घर पर ही
हो तुम अभी? घर से बाहर थोड़ी जाते हो?
नो सर।
ओके वेरी गुड बेटा, अभी गर्मी बहुत ज्यादा है, शाबाश, अच्छा है बेटा, ऐसे बोलने की कोशिश करो धीरे धीरे, है ना, धीरे धीरे खुल जाओगे, चिंता मत करो, हम बुलवा लेंगे सब अंग्रेजी में आपसे। ओके वेरी नाइस, शाबाश, कोशिश करो, वो हम देख लेंगे। हाँ भैया, आप कौन रह गया? एक संजू मैडम है नहीं है यहाँ पे? ओ संजू मैडम, ये चाय पीने चली गई दिखती है भाई कहीं। चलो कोई बात नहीं, आ जाएगी। हाँ लक्ष्मी, ओ लक्ष्मी, कैमरा चालू करो तुम्हारे, एक तो अपने अपने सारे के सारे लोग स्विच ऑन करो कैमरे, अपने अपने सारे के सारे लोग। यस, संजू भी, लक्ष्मी भी। हाँ लक्ष्मी, नहीं
यस सर।
कोशिश करो, इंग्लिश बोलो, हिंदी में बोलो, डरना क्या है, किस चीज से डरना है, किस चीज से है, बोलो, अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दो, आप बोलो अपना, हिंदी बोलो, हिंदी में बोलो, हम नहीं कह रहे इंग्लिश में बोलो, तुम हिंदी में तो बोल सकते हो, बोलो बोलो।
Hello everyone, my name is Lakshmi Mahavar. I am from Jaipur. Topic is summer season.
हिंदी में बोल दे। नहीं बोलना, ठीक, ओके कोई बात नहीं, ओके नो प्रॉब्लम, बुलवाएंगे, तेरे से भी बुलवाएंगे बेटा, चिंता मत कर। हाँ संजू
सर आ तो रहा है बोलना, पर बोल नहीं पा रही हूँ।
कि क्या दिक्कत आ रही है? अभी तो फिर दोबारा ट्राई करते हैं, संजू को लेके आते हैं पहले जरा। अबे चाय वाय पी के आ गई? हैं? चाय पी ली? कहाँ गई थी? चाय पीने गई थी? माइक तो चालू कर तेरा। हाँ, कूलर में पानी भरने गई थी?
पानी खत्म हो गया था, पानी लेने चली गई थी, बोरिंग चला था इसमें।
थोड़ा सा बोल ले जरा, थोड़ा सा हिंदी में बोल ले, चाहे बेशक समर पे चल रहा है, कुछ भी बोल ले, थोड़ा सा अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे और बोल आराम से, कुछ भी बोल, गर्मी के बारे में थोड़ा सा बोल दे, चल हिंदी में ही बोल दे, अंग्रेजी में हम बुलवा लेंगे बाद में। हाँ बोल।
सर अगले सैटरडे संडे को बोल दूंगी।
पक्का?
हाँ सर।
पक्का? चल ठीक है, मन बना ले बेटा, फिर ऐसे कैसे फिर काम चलेगा ना, अब तो करना ही पड़ेगा, अब जब आई गए हैं तो फिर कोई बात नहीं, अगले सैटरडे को करेंगे। और कोई तो नहीं रह गया? सबने बोल लिया? अभी रिकॉर्डिंग हो गई आपकी अबाउट 45 मिनट्स। इसको मैं YouTube पे अपलोड करूंगा, सेव होने के बाद में आप इसको देखना जरूर और सुनना, अपनी तो सुनना कम से कम, क्या बोला कैसे बोला, बस आप ये करते रहो, बस बाकी सब मेरे ऊपर छोड़ दो, मैं देख लूंगा अपने आप आपको, ठीक है? चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच।